To install the Whoop Charge, start by locating the charging dock that came with your Whoop device. This dock is specifically designed to charge your Whoop strap. Next, place the Whoop strap onto the charging dock, ensuring it is aligned properly and securely attached. Now plug the charging dock into a power source using the provided USB cable. Make sure the other end of the cable is connected to a powered USB port or a wall adapter. You will know the Whoop is charging when the lights on the strap begin to flash. This indicates that the charging process has started. It is essential to charge your Whoop for at least 30 minutes to get a substantial amount of battery life. However, for a full charge, leave it plugged in for about 2 hours. While charging, avoid interrupting the process as this may affect the battery life of your device. Best practices for charging your Whoop include avoiding overcharging, as this can decrease the overall battery health. Also, try to charge your Whoop when the battery level falls below 10% to maintain its longevity. By following these simple steps, you can effectively charge your Whoop and ensure it is always ready to track your fitness activities. Remember to handle the charging dock and strap with care to maintain their condition and extend their lifespan.